Welcome to the group. Winning is a habit. First of all, I will share my thought process. I want to start a YouTube channel to initiate a sharing process of basics of share market. To welcome to all. My name is Amrut Naik. I am a mechanical engineer, work experience of 16 years, and today is the first class on chapter 2, basics of share markets. Why chapter 2? I will release my thought process in my second video. Once again, welcome. So we will start with graph or chart understanding, because graph and chart is one of the very important part on technical analysis. As you all know, in stock market or share market, there is two analysis mainly all investor and trader are following. First one is fundamental analysis and second one is technical analysis. So here we will go to technical analysis. To understand technical analysis, first you need to understand what is graph or what is chart. So first I need to share my thought, and I love one sentence from Wala. It's my thought process on stock market, and I have right to be wrong. So what I understand, graph and chart is a relation between price and time. Why I write both side price and time? That we need to understand. For that, you need to understand the position. Position, as two position is available in our stock market analysis, that is in technical analysis. One is buy position, one is sell position. So buy and sell is basically position. On that position, we have to fix price and with respect to time to get a profit. What is profit? Profit is if you buy at low, sell at high, you got a profit. Then reverse procedure in stock market is only one place where the reverse strategy also applied. That is sell at high, buy at low. Here also get a profit. So here the technical analysis, if you understand the graph, you can understand the position, whether it is a buy position or sell position. Now, before we understand this position, we need to understand the relation between price and time. Because when you understand the relation between price and time, that will give a mathematical picture. Mathematical picture means in basic language, it's not necessary that you need to be a mathematics student or something. It's a basic understanding of a position with respect to time or position of time with respect to price. So what this can show a mathematical picture. That mathematical picture is known as graph. Means if you understand a graph, you can understand a share price position in the graph. And in the graph, you will get 2 points, price and time. So whenever you need to understand the analysis of price and time, or you can say whenever you try to understand, here I write understanding, because you need to understand the relation between price with respect to time for a particular share price, or you can say for a particular stock price. Here we'll understand with a example. That example is, Suppose, just imagine a company A. A is a company, and this company share price we will assume. Why I say assume is you need to understand this company. So this is a company A where we took a share price in a range from 800 to 2000 in a time period. This is the axis. Don't think about any x axis or y axis or z axis. Think only a plane of line. Just understand this is the year starting of 2020. This is the position when the year is starting of 2021. This is a position of time where the stock price starting position on January 2022, and this is a position 2023. That is future. We need to speculate. So suppose in the year 2020, in the month of January, this company A stock price is at 800. So we will draw a horizontal line because this is diagram. You need to understand how to draw a diagram. So you need to draw a horizontal line perpendicular to the this vertical line in a straight way, just parallel to the price line. I will take this one price line. No, it is not price line. It is time line. Means time period, and this line is price line. Okay. So in the year 2020, 1st of January, this company A stock price is 800. So we draw a horizontal line. Okay. Now this time period of 2020 January is a vertical line in your estimate, just parallel to the price line and perpendicular to the timeline. So the point, these two lines cross each other. In this one, so this point we will mark. So we'll got the first point of price with respect to the time period. Similarly, when you come 2021, the share price of company A is, suppose, assume, this is assumption to understand a graph, is 1200. So we will draw similar one horizontal line. Okay, and with respect to time, parallel to the price line, perpendicular to the timeline, we will draw another vertical line. So in the year of 2021, January, we have the price of company A, or you can say share price of the company A is 1200, and these two lines cross each other at this point. So we'll go to the second point. Similarly, in the year of 2022, we have price of 1200. Since it is assumption, we are assuming. So here another point will come. One straight line will go. Similar straight line already there. So this is a cross-sectional point. This is a third point. So when you understand the 3 point, we will join these points. So we join it here, then we join it here, then we join it here. This is assumption. We don't know. Maybe here, we don't know. So because it is future. And stock market technical analysis is understanding the past chart and assume the future chart. So this is possible only if you understand a graph, and that graph how it made with price and time. Whenever you watch in any application or any mobile or any, on a computer, when you study a graph, always try to or imagine that graph on your mind. After reading it, when you are alone and thinking, when you understand a graph, you will understand the relation between price and time. So you understand the position, buy and sell, And when you understand a position, you can earn profit. How? Buy at low, sell at high, take profit, or sell at high, buy at low, take profit. And this is possible only with practice, because we know we have a quotation: practice makes a man perfect. So you need to do practice, practice, practice to understand a chart, and that is possible if you read the chart, draw the chart, and practice the chart. Thank you. This is the first class, chapter 2, understanding of graph. Once again, welcome to the group. Winning is a habit. Thank you.